Okay, let's look at how we guess whether the word has an alphabet vowel sound or a relative vowel sound using the rules in your chapter. So pan, relative vowel sound because there's one vowel in the one-syllable word. Pain, A sound because it has the silent E. Number 3, pain, alphabet vowel sound A because there's two vowels and the second one is silent. So you have the long A sign, pain. Number 4, 10. We know it's relative vowel sound because it's one syllable, one vowel, 10. Number 5, teen. You have two vowels, so the second vowel is silent, and the first one is the alphabet vowel sound E, teen. Number 6, again, you have two vowels written together. Second one is silent, so it has the alphabet vowel sound of the first vowel, mean. Number 7, we have the silent E, so this is the alphabet vowel sign E, so it's meme, meme. Number 8, T-I-N, one vowel, so it's relative, tin, tin, is sound. Number 9, one syllable, you have the silent E, so it's the alphabet vowel sound I, tine. So here we have relative vowel, I, alphabet vowel, I, tin, tine. Number 10, again, you only have one vowel there, so it's the relative vowel sound, not, not. Now, we have the silent E, so this becomes O, note. Number 12, you see two vowels written together. Second one then is silent. So the first one has the alphabet vowel sound O. So this is pronounced bloat, bloat. Number 13, what do you think about this? Ooh, ooh. Clue, clue. Number 14, one vowel sound, cut. Relative vowel sound, Number 13, I forgot to say, you see two vowels. Second one is silent, so we do the alphabet vowel sound, ooh, clue. All of these are in your chapter. Review those rules so that you can guess the pronunciation of a new word.